On behalf of all we people, meet about 22 people, we are here to get training, and we are going to carry on our message to help community and to get more ambassadors next time. More than this, 22 is not enough. So we will work more, we will do the good services of community, and we will do the training was given by Asaji and the Fremont City opportunity, we got it right way. Thank you everybody.
So I'd like to welcome my manager again, Karen Grimsich, for some closing remarks.
I don't know how much better I can put it. You guys put it so well. You're the real thing. But a couple weeks ago when I was here, that very first day, and you guys were quiet, coming in, what's going to happen here? And now I just want to celebrate the energy in this room. I know you've been given a lot of knowledge. And I also want to let you guys, we know it's confusing. We know senior services aren't easy. So the promise I want to make to you guys is part of your graduation and the beginning. Someone said it earlier, the beginning of the real purpose of doing this, which is going out and connecting with seniors, is we're here for you. That's what this is about. You guys are a bridge. We have, you know, social workers who have been doing geriatric social work for years and years. So work with us, call us. Seniors aren't going to necessarily come down to the city or call us for support. You guys are the eyes and ears. You are the beauty of this, being out there in your communities, trying to find somebody before they need a lot of help. Let's try to get out there and connect with people and build relationships and become a trusted source of information before the crisis. Let's help them come home from the hospital and have the support they need so they don't go back in the hospital. Let's help make sure they're safe so they don't fall, you know, or have that excess illness that they don't necessarily need. Aging is a beautiful thing. We know we're all doing it. It's an honor to be able to support our elders in our community. I'm very proud that our community and the city of Fremont has taken the lead in being an aging-friendly community. You guys are in the news all the time. This program is very well known nationally. International press have come and talked to us. There's a big article coming out actually today or tomorrow that we'll be emailing all you in a big health newspaper, I guess, that's up in Sacramento that the policymakers use to see what's happening in the community. So you'll be getting a copy of that. So, you know, thank you so much. This is just the beginning. Super, super proud of each of you. Make sure you contact us, go forward, find the seniors, connect. You know, we are truly an aging-friendly community, and that's with your guys' warm connection. So thank you. Thank you so much.
And there's more.
Yes, this is not the end. Well, on behalf of all the community ambassadors, I would like to say thank you to especially Asha ji, who is connecting everybody, bringing everybody together. And there are so many, not only Asha, there are so many people who are working behind this curtain. I would like to say thank you very much for all your service and the help and the protection to us, you know. And of course, this is not the end. This is the beginning. If you are helping one person, then you are success. That is your success. So never hesitate. Call me anytime. I got first client 77. I'm always available, sir, 24/7 for you. So anyway, just give a big hand to yourself. Be proud of you. Give a big hand to yourself. Let's celebrate. Unite, share, learn, and celebrate.
Thank you very much. But we do have some competition in the room. There's Merla 77 and Mayor Wasserman 77. So we have two 77.
He's 76.
No, next to Meyer, he's 80 plus. Yeah, they're Tony.
Oh, okay. 80 plus. We have.
I'm 83.
80.
Wow.
We have 83 here. So the mayor, you're very young. You're still young. Very young.
National training.
Oh, I'm
Yes.
We want you here on our side.
You'll have time.
So I would like to give a big round of applause again to all of our guests. Their workers, everybody, Dr. On. Thank you again for